Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Head Savage Kitchen. What I'm gonna show you today is how to make my pinto beans. It's gonna be real good. You don't need a lot of money. It's real simple and cheap. All you need is room in that tummy, guaranteed to be a party in your tummy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to cooking them beans. Get some. All right, now to get started, what I'm using is 1 cup of dry beans. 1 cup of dry beans makes 3 cups of cooked beans. And I'm eating this by myself, so that's why the portion is that low. Let's get on over here to the ingredients. What I'm going to be using is onion powder, some ground cumin, some paprika, of course, and last but not least, some garlic powder. Now, some people like to add 1 bay leaf. You can add that if you want. It's optional. And you can also double this recipe for more people. But this right here is just for me. Maybe 2 people, but let's get started. And also, folks, I'm going to throw in 2 turkey tails, smoked turkey tails. This is optional too. I'm not using any pork. All right, now peep game, folks. You can either use water. You can use broth of any kind you like. You can use chicken broth, beef broth, or vegetable broth. But what I'm gonna do here is use some broth I made my own self. That is straight up from vegetables. And I have a link to that description too. But in the meantime, folks, what you wanna do is however many cups of beans dry you have in here, you want to multiply that times 4 for your cup of water. So with me, I'm using 1 cup of beans, so I'm going to use 4 cups of my vegetable broth. All right, get that all up in there. Now I told you about my spices here. That's my onion powder, my garlic powder, my cumin, and my paprika. You want to dump those bad boys all up in there. We give it a quick stir real quick, because we don't want to go stirring it while it's cooking. We're going to let it do its thing here in the slow cooker. But we want to go ahead and get that water all nice and flavored up right now. All right, that's all it needs. And remember right here, this right here is the ticket. I'm not adding no salt to this. These bad boys got enough salt and sodium on their own. These are my turkey tails. You can add them if you choose to. I'm adding 2. You can add 1, whatever you want to do. Just put you some kind of smoked meat in there. I'm doing this because I don't eat pork. We're going to put this baby on. We're going to put it on low. And we're going to let that baby do its thing for 8 hours. We'll be back. All right, folks. We're 4 hours in. And that's looking pretty good. Now is the time. If you guys want to add a bay leaf, you put it in now at about the 4 hours. And when it's finished, always remove your bay leaf. But I'm not adding a bay leaf. We're going to let this ride out for that next 4 hours. All right, folks, it's been 7 hours. Let's see what we got. Come on over here. Don't be scared. It ain't nothing but beans. It ain't going to hurt you. Yeah, get on in here so they can see this. Now, you see how that meat just fall off that bone like that? That is good eating right there. Now, hopefully you didn't stir your beans before it was time. But yeah, you guys see that there? That's some nice beans and juice right there for you. Stay on the pot, stay on the pot. Yeah, look at that, folks. All right, now, folks, we got an hour left to go. So what we're going to do is leave this top off and we're gonna let it finish cooking its last hours. All right, folks, the 8 hours is up. Look at that, folks. Look at that. And that's what you want. You sock this stuff up with something else right here. Well, there you have it, folks. I'm gonna show you guys what to eat with this. Click on that link there, up there in that left corner. Other than that, thank you for watching. The Head Savage Kitchen, man. Thanks for stopping by the Head Savage Kitchen. I hope you like what you tried. I hope you did try it. And if you didn't like it, maybe you can find something else that you might like. Experiment with a lot of different things. Click on one of those links up there. It'll take you into another recipe. Thank you for watching.